What's up guys, welcome to a new tutorial. Today we are talking about one of the most crucial functions in modern music production. Once you've understood how to use it, you'll be able to take the quality of your mix to a new level. So let's dive in. In modern music production, it's common to add a filter on several instruments. For example, in the build-up section, you can cut out high frequencies and add them back over time to create momentum for the drop. The easiest way to achieve this is to use automation. Automation gives us the possibility to automate nearly every parameter in your DAW or VST over time to create unexpected sounds, tension, or space for other instruments. To get a better understanding of what automation is, we should take a look at an example. To start with this simple example, we are adding a random snare sound. We will use a sound from the GarageBand library. Next, we add a sweep. This sound is a sweep down, but we can change it by just clicking reverse playback on the editor at the bottom. Finally, we also add a riser to create the mentioned build-up. Let's have a listen. It already sounds okay, but let's add some automation. As our goal is for the build-up to introduce our snare sound slowly by automating the high-cut filter, we need to prepare a few things. First of all, upload an instance of your favorite EQ. Then activate, if it's not already, the high-cut filter. Next, press A on your keyboard, go to your EQ plugin, and choose the high-cut frequency parameter. Once you've activated the parameter, you'll notice a little line right under the instrument. This is our automation line. If we click on the line, we can change the value of the parameter. By adding two dots, we can change the value over time. In this example, we cut out everything above 500 Hz and add them slowly back. Let's have a listen again. As you can hear, it already sounds better by simply automating the high-cut filter over time. Now imagine you have multiple layers of instruments and a variety of automation. This opens up a whole new level for music production. For example, you can change the pitch to create a vibrato effect on your guitar or automate the instrument's volume to make the right balance for your track. But now it's your time. I want you to try to automate your first parameter, play around with them, and see how the sound changes. And this was it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up if you liked the video, and I'll see you next time.